Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be doing question number 2 from exercise 3.3. So in our last class we have done question number 1 and we have also discussed about the divisibility rule of various numbers starting from 2 to 12, right? So in this question they have said that using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. So among this number, which of the number is divisible by 4 and which of the number is divisible by 8, that we have to write. So let's find for 572 the first number. So in order to check any number divisible by 4, the last two digit should be divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 8s are 32. So if the last two digit is divisible, so in this case you can see it is divisible, remainder is 0. So you can write here that divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now next, in order to check any number divisible by 8, so they have said only by 4 and 8. So this number is divisible by 4. Now we have to check for 8. So in order to check any number divisible by 8 or not, the last 3 digit, over here it is 3 digit only, so we have to check by dividing only. So 8 9s are 72, 8 8s are 64, 7 8s are 56. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, 2. It is not divisible, so you will write not divisible by 8. So you just saw that your remainder is not 0, so 8 ones are 8, 4. So your remainder is 4. If you get the remainder 0, that means the number is divisible properly. So here you have saw that using the trick we solved that using the 4 and using 8 also. So it was only divisible by 4 but not divisible with 8. So proceeding to the next one, part B is okay. Part B we have is the number is 726,726,352. So let's check whether this is divisible by 4 or not. So the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Now 4 1 is 4, 1, 4 3 is 12. So yes, you are getting remainder 0. So yes, it is divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. So in order to check by 8 now, we have to see for 3 digit number, the last 3 digit number. So let's check that also. 352, 4 8 is 32, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 4 8 again is 32. Yes, sorry again here I have written the wrong number. Sorry, I have written 8. It should be 4 here. 8 4 is 32. So it is 44. You can see it is divisible. The last 3 digit is getting divided by 8. So we will write divisible by 8. Isn't it easy one? So like this only you will check one by one. Okay, so what is the next number? The next number is 5500. The next number we have is, that is number C, is 5500. 5500. So again here the last two digits should be checked in order to, it is both 0, so of course 40 is 0. So yes, 5500 is divisible by 4. So you can write here that it is divisible by 4. So this 5500 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now in order to now next number is 8. So the last 3 digits should be checked. 500, 8 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56. So 8 6 48 will be done. 8 6 48, 2 0. Now this 8 2 16 is there. So now here you can see the remainder. So you can write here that it is not divisible by 8, isn't it? So why it is not divisible? As because the last 3 digit, that is 500, is not divisible by 8. So the whole number, that is 5500, will not be able to divide by 8. Okay, so this is how we solved it. Let's do question number D now. Question number D we have is 6000. Again the same thing. Here you can see the last two digit is 0, so it will be divisible by 4. As in the number C also, we saw that the last two digit was 0. So in order to check with the 8, again we have to see the last 3 digit. Over here also the last 3 digit is 0, so you can say that it will be divisible by 8, as because 80 is a 0 only, so you'll get the answer directly. Let's do question number E now. Question number E we have is 12159. So what is the trick? You all know, when we are checking with 4, the last two digits should be checked, right? Divide this number. 4 1 is 4, 1 9. Now 4 4 is 16. So the remainder is 3. So it is not 0. So you will write here that not divisible by 4. Okay. Let me remove this. Not divisible by 4. Okay. So we have to check with 8 also. The last 3 digits should be checked. 8 159. 8 to the 16 is not possible, so 8 1 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 79. 8 8 is 64. 8 9 is 72. 8 10 is 80. So your remainder here is 7. So it is again not divisible. So in both the case, that is this 12159 is not divisible by 4, not divisible by 8, not divisible by 8 also, right? So this is the way of doing. I hope you people have understood this very well. These are the easiest one. Yes, you just have to understand the rules in a proper manner. So let's do last question for today. The remaining one will be solved by you people. Let's do number F. The question we have is 14560. 14560. Again the last two digits you all know to divide in order to check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So yes, it is divisible by 4. The whole number is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay, so now we have to check with 8 also. So last 3 digits should be checked. 560. 8 7 is 56. 56 minus 56 0. 8 0 is 0. So 870 is 560. So here you can write that divisible by 8. Yes, it is also divisible by 8. So I have mentioned, as mentioned, the remaining one, that is the question number G H I J will be a home assignment. This will be your home assignment. Kindly do it, and having any problem you can share with me. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope you have understood this. See you in the next class.